Hey guys, Dagon 30. Just wanted to address some rumors that I've been hearing for the last month, maybe even a little longer, about the rumors that NVIDIA is canceling their 50 series supercards and they're just going towards strictly towards AI, which, I mean, honestly, they are going a lot, like probably 90% of their stuff towards AI. But there's no room. There's rumors, but there's no actual statement from them saying they're canceling their Super Series. I've done research for hours on end. There's nothing saying that. There's just a lot of speculation. Uh, they didn't even really announce the Super Series cards in the first place yet. Anyways, that's also another rumor. It's a more viable rumor, yes, but and it's probably going to be announced probably in December or in January during the CES thing. But yeah, that's about it, really. I mean, it's all just rumors. Now, if NVIDIA did cancel by chance, that would be really disappointing. I've always been a big fan of their video cards throughout the years, through good and bad. And I own a 5090 and I love it. But it seems like they are going more towards AI, and that makes sense. It's from a business point of view. But yeah, I'm just saying it's almost like they're setting up AMD, even Intel, that are still producing good quality GPUs. Well, Intel's getting better at it, but AMD still has another opportunity to even get even further in the market. And it's almost like they're shooting themselves in the foot, NVIDIA is, by turning their backs on the people that made them this rich to begin with. And those are just my thoughts on that. Now, if they do come out with the Super Series cards, um, they're probably going to be pretty expensive. As of right now, the GPUs that are going back up in price thanks to this AI and chip shortages, and RAM's gone up in pricing. And I mean, I bought a 64 gigabyte kit for about $255 just 3 months ago for my PC, and now that same kit's almost $528, and I'm like, holy crap! But yeah, that's just what's going on, and I just want to put that out there, and just to let you guys know. And the date of this is November 8th, so things could change on the fly. You never know. But yeah, if you guys got comments or anything, just leave a comment below, and I'll respond as soon as I can. And like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in other videos. Thanks, guys.